When you're working with labels and stickers, material is absolutely everything. If you go with the wrong material for your project, whether you're printing at home or ordering your labels custom made, it can completely make or break the look and the functionality of your design. I'm Dan with OnlineLabels, and in this video, we're going to do a really quick overview of our standard sheet materials. This is going to help give you a much better idea of which material will work for your project, your goal, or your business. Let's get into it. At OnlineLabels, you can order labels to print at home or upload your design and have us ship it to you. Your choice could make all the difference, so get a really good idea of your design's needs before you're submitting your artwork or ordering any sheets or rolls. And if you want to see more helpful videos about labels, small business tips, how-tos, and more, make sure to subscribe below. We're losing time, so let's get into it. Standard white matte is our most popular and versatile material. This comes on sheets that'll give you great results on a laser or inkjet printer. If that sounds good, but you need something with a low-tack adhesive that can be peeled off and reapplied, try our removable white matte. In the opposite direction is aggressive white matte, which comes with a very strong permanent adhesive that'll stick to almost any surface for as long as you need. Our 100% recycled white is completely made from post-consumer waste, perfect for eco-friendly products. Our white gloss inkjet and white gloss laser materials bring a high gloss shine, perfect for photo quality results and a professional look, ready to go in whichever printer you have. Our weatherproof matte inkjet, weatherproof gloss inkjet, and weatherproof polyester laser options are perfect if you need a durable, tear-resistant material that's going to be near any liquids, moisture, or extreme conditions. For a deep dive into our waterproof materials, check out the link in the description. Our Blockout Labels for laser printers are great for covering up old designs or outdated information with its gray backside. These are also called opaque labels or cover-up labels. If you're looking for a transparent label, our clear matte inkjet and clear matte laser materials are made with strong polyester with a frosted finish that's great for a textured, natural look. If you need something shinier though, our clear gloss inkjet and clear gloss laser materials are completely transparent, giving your design a photo quality glossy finish. For a really original, eye-catching look, try our metallic materials. We offer silver foil laser, silver foil inkjet, gold foil laser, and gold foil inkjet to give you that unmistakable shine. The reflective surface makes these materials really unique. Brown Kraft is a great material if you're going for a rustic or earthy vibe. Its brown textured paper could add a great amount of character and aesthetic to your designs. If you want your design printed on bright, vibrant color that'll stand out in any environment, try our Fluorescent Labels. Our green, orange, pink, red, and yellow options are great for caution labels and important info. We also offer pastel color labels. If you're looking for an aesthetically pleasing, light-tinted label, these will be the choice for you. Our blue, green, pink, and yellow pastels work really well for artwork and decoration. For those in the market for labels in true color, try out our blue, gray, green, purple, red, yellow, and light tan options. These come on permanent adhesive and work for both inkjet and laser printers. It's time for our weekly customer creation. These coffee labels are a great example of using a material that fits your goals, and they look great. Using different designs on several products like this is a really good way to make your items stand out to customers. So have fun and take your time scrolling through the materials that we have to offer. It makes a whole world of difference in almost any situation, so make sure you go with the right choice for your goals. Once you've found the perfect choice, you can have a ton of fun watching your creations come to life. Thank you guys so much for watching, we really appreciate it. If you want more helpful how-tos, sticker and label related content, small business resources, and more, make sure to subscribe down below. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and make sure to check us out on social media as well through the links in the description. We'll see you guys next week.